Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a helicopter together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw the cabin with a curved line, horizontal line, a round corner, a diagonal line, another horizontal line, and another round corner. Draw a small circle, 2 propellers, then the tail of the helicopter with a small vertical line, a diagonal line, a horizontal line, and a small vertical line. Draw a small vertical wing on top of the tail. First a diagonal line, a horizontal one, and another diagonal one. Now draw a small vertical wing on the bottom panel with a diagonal line, one horizontal, and another diagonal. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape! Draw a semicircle at the top of the cabin. Draw a small rectangle and then 2 larger helixes like I do. Now draw a rectangle for the landing skid. First a horizontal line, a small vertical line, another horizontal line, and another small vertical line. Draw 4 small vertical lines to connect the cabin to the landing skid. Now draw a rectangle for the window, starting from the cabin. First a horizontal line, a vertical line, and a horizontal line. Then draw 4 vertical lines inside it. Draw a horizontal line under the window and a diagonal line across the tail. Wow! Our helicopter turned out really well! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use light blue for the window. Use blue for the semicircle on the cab, for the vertical wing, for the bottom of the tail, and the cabin. Use red for the vertical wing, the top of the tail, and for the cabin. And use orange for the propellers and landing skid. Excellent! Our helicopter is ready to leave for his first flight. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!